Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for ALIBABA. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide target and invalidation levels for the presented accounts. Let's get going. So again, starting from a higher time frame, let's take a look at RSI first. On weekly, we can see this trend line coming down. We are way off of that. And again, this is really bearish looking trend line. Until we clear this, we could be like still correcting so long here. Yeah, just a warning that this will most likely hold as resistance for quite some time now. Let's check out the daily. Daily, which one it is? This one upwards. Okay, so we can see from these highs here that we still haven't broken through this trend line here on RSI either. We're just hitting it right now. If we are able to clear it, we do have some room up here to create some kind of structure upwards. I'm not even sure if this is going to be bullish or not on a longer term, but again, we'll look into that possibility next. On 8-hour time frame, we have this one as some kind of support here. Again, the 1-day trend line here is keeping us down a bit now. The other one, this one down here, is a support trend line as well, and this is giving us some divergences between these lows here coming down, giving us some kind of bullish momentum, or at least weakening the bearish one. So for this correction, we had a few different ideas. I'm not really sure about this one. We talked about this, just doesn't look right. The 3-4 is so small compared to the rest of the structure. There's truncations. I don't like this at all. I'm just going to delete it for now. We've got better options here. This is definitely still one of the possibilities where we have some kind of triangle here, wave 4 wouldn't end here. We do have some contraction here on the RSI as well, which would indicate there's a possibility for some kind of triangle here. Then we have this really bearish option where we would have just only created a third of minute, then it would be 4th and 5th, and third of minor, 4th and 5th. So we would be looking for way more lower targets. We haven't still created this 4th nor the third here, so we can't really get the end of this 5th properly, but I'm not even sure if we have created this 4th here either. We did have that triangle possibility, and we could be even looked at this just a 3-way structure here, 3-way structure down here, and now we would be looking at a 3-way up here. Whether it's going to be taking this high here of $123 out, I'm not sure of that either yet. Other possibilities is this one, and this is basically the only bullish scenario I can see at the very moment, saying that again WXYXZ, we would have 3 ways here, 3 ways and 3 ways here, and this would actually end the correction. Now we do not have confirmation about that yet, as these higher time frame trend lines on RSI has not been broken yet. So definitely something to keep in mind. I have taken along from 88.03, where is that? Around here. I was playing this as a second wave and a possibility again. Now it looks more like a possibility for this being an A, B and C, having 1, 2 created here. Yeah, so there's a couple of different accounts showing us bullish momentum upwards, even though it might be just short-lived. Now, this is again basically the same idea, but instead of even lower targets here, we would be looking at this as 1, 2, completed 3, 4 and 5. Let's take a look at what we can measure for the wave 4 as a target, and around something like this. So around $121, and that wouldn't take out this high. There's definitely some good resistance here, where we've had loads of these previous lows at around $110. So definitely need to keep an eye on that. If we are thinking this as an ABC structure, we would need to get above the $108 area for the minimum target of 0.618 here. If that is not going to hold, then we look in this as more bearish scenario. Now instead, again, let me, yeah, on local time, let's check out what we have here. So again, this is the current low that we have. There's a couple of different possibilities here on the local time frame. We could be saying that this is some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. At that case, we would need to be looking at this as a 1 and 2, 2 possibly coming down. Well, this is the current low, so it has to be here. This, however, looks like 5-wave structure here, right? So it is a bit iffy to say that. To me, this structure here looks like 3-wave structure. And let me downgrade this as well. 3-wave structure, and then we would possibly have another start for another 3-wave structure, having an A, B, and C, creating a flat pattern here. And then we would have another 3-wave structure or 5-wave structure, depending on how high this C wave comes to. So wave 2 would take a bit longer than here. Now, this is the bullish scenario. There's also a bearish scenario. As mentioned on the other ones on the medium time frame, we could have this as a ABC, possibly ending something here, and then we could be looking this structure again as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as start of something. I don't really like to look this as an end of something, just because we did not clear the previous lows. I really don't like the truncation plays, but sometimes those are mandatory. But again, there's just too few or not enough data here to concretely say that we have truncated some count, instead of just saying that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or an ABC. Of course, we could be saying that this is an A, B, and C. Again, at that point, we would be connecting that ABC here for some bearish scenario here overall, right? So this would be an A, B, and C, and depending again how low this goes, we could still have this as a something like this, as a expanded flat structure, if this is indeed a ABC structure in the middle. But yeah, there's plenty of options and plenty of decision making if you want to take longs. There's somewhat clear invalidations. Of course, to me, I'm playing currently this as the 1, 2 or an A, B, C. So my first profit would probably be at the 1-to-1 target, but around $100 here. There's resistance of these previous highs here at around this area as well. So I'm going to be taking some out here and see how this develops. But yeah, most likely if this is going to be showing us another 5-way upwards movement, then I'm going to be loading up on the pullback again on a longer term time frame, just to see if that is actually the bottom here. And this is the bearish scenario. But yeah, that's pretty much all I want to share on BABA. A couple of different ways to look at the market. Definitely no decision or longer time decisions making yet, but I'll keep you updated on this. Link to my Discord server in the description of the video, and if you want me to update a certain account, let me know in the comments as well. But again, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.